In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a webhook in Stripe, which is an essential step in integrating Stripe's capabilities into your application. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to stripe.com. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. You'll be directed to a login page where you'll enter your email address and password for your Stripe account. Once you've input your credentials, hit the sign in button again to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find yourself on the home section. From here, we'll need to head into the developer section. So go ahead and scroll down on the left hand side menu until you see developers. Click it to expand the menu options. Within the developers menu, look for the option labeled webhooks and select it. This is where we'll be setting up the new webhook. In the webhook section, we'll start by creating a new destination for our webhook. Look for the Add Endpoint or Add Destination button, typically found near the top of the page, and click on it. Now you'll see a new interface where we need to specify details about the events you want to listen to. First, check the box labeled Checkout. This will expand the list of events under this category. From this list, select Checkout Session.completed. This event is crucial because it triggers every time a checkout session is successfully completed, allowing you to automate actions or notifications. Next, let's select another event category, Invoice, to add another layer to our webhook. Within this category, find and select Invoice Payment Succeeded. This event is triggered whenever an invoice payment is successfully processed, helping you manage billing events and payment confirmations seamlessly. Once you've selected your desired events, the next step is to hit the Continue button to proceed further in the setup process. You'll now be prompted to add a webhook endpoint URL. This is where Stripe will send data about the events you've selected. Carefully paste the URL for where your application can receive the webhook payloads. Take a moment here to make sure your server is properly configured to handle such incoming requests securely and efficiently. Additionally, there's an option to add a description for this webhook setup. Adding a description can be extremely helpful, especially if you're managing multiple webhooks, as it provides context about this particular setup. This way, anyone reviewing your Stripe configuration later will understand the purpose of this webhook endpoint easily. Finally, complete the process by clicking on Create Destination. Once that's done, your webhook is set up and ready to receive event information from Stripe, effectively integrating with your system to automate responses to crucial payment and checkout activities. That wraps up our quick guide on setting up a Stripe webhook. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step process easy to follow and valuable for your integration tasks.